Okay everybody, I want to make a quick video on this because this is super hard to find in your owner's manual or even from your Nissan dealer or salesperson, because it's just one of those features that's kind of fun and silly, but nobody knows what the heck's going on, but I do. So this is what it is. It is light and wiper guidance. What is that? Well, we're in the menu of this Nissan Altima in your customized display menu, and you go in and you go into it and it goes, okay, it's on or it's off, but I don't know what I'm turning on or off. What's the lights mode guidance? What's the wiper mode guidance? Jason, please help me. Okay, I'm gonna help you. Let me just take my phone back here. You see this little stick right here? Okay, when I turn this, it will give me a display of what I'm doing with my headlights. If I don't like that display coming up, I'm going to hit the off button on this menu and turn that off. The same with the wipers. If we turn the wipers on, it is going to show me what speeds and what we're doing with wipers. I think that's freaking awesome. But if you don't like that, if it annoys you, you can turn it off. Now you know what I know. It took me a little bit to figure that out, but I'm super happy I did, and I hope it just helps everybody out. All right, everybody. Thank you.